comprehensive guide to setting up search engine advertising by Ace International Media. Search engine advertising is a powerful tool for businesses to reach their target audience effectively. This guide will walk you through the process of setting up a successful search engine advertising campaign from start to finish. 1. Introduction to search engine advertising. Search engine advertising allows businesses to display ads on search engine results pages when users search for specific keywords. Platforms like Google Ads and Bing Ads offer targeted advertising options, helping businesses capture potential customers actively seeking their products or services. 2. Setting up your account Google Ads. Sign up. Visit the Google Ads website and create an account using your Google login. Set up billing. Enter your payment details to fund your campaigns. Bing Ads Create Account. Go to Bing Ads and sign up using your Microsoft account. Import campaigns. If you already use Google Ads, you can import your campaigns to Bing Ads. Google Ads 3. Conducting keyword research. Keyword research is crucial for identifying terms your target audience uses. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahrefs can help you discover relevant keywords, assess competition, and estimate costs. Short tail versus long tail keywords. Short tail keywords are broad, while long tail keywords are specific and less competitive. Keyword intent. Understand if keywords are informational, navigational, or transactional to align your ads with user intent. For creating effective ads and landing pages, crafting your ad headlines, use attention-grabbing headlines with keywords. Descriptions provide clear, compelling copy with a strong call to action. Extensions. Enhance your ad with site links, callouts, and structured snippets. Landing pages. Ensure your landing pages are relevant, user-friendly, and optimized for conversions. They should match your ad messaging and include clear CTAs. 5. Setting your budget and bidding strategy. Budgeting daily budget. Start small and adjust as needed. Allocate funds based on keyword competition. Bidding strategies. Choose between cost per click and cost per 1,000 impressions. Use automated strategies like Target CPA or OAS for efficiency. Managing bid search terms report. Monitor to identify irrelevant keywords and set negatives. Negative keywords. Prevent ads from showing for unrelated searches. 6. Launching your campaign. Double-check your settings, including keywords, ads, budget, and targeting. Once everything is in place, go live and let your campaign run. 7. Monitoring and optimizing tracking performance metrics. Focus on CTR, conversion rate, and cost per conversion. Use Google Analytics for deeper insights. A/B testing. Regularly test ad copy, landing pages, and targeting to improve performance. Analyzing data. Use data to refine keywords, adjust bids, and optimize ads. Pause underperforming elements and allocate budget to top performers. 8. Measuring ROI and continuous improvement. Calculate your return on ad spend to assess profitability. Regularly audit campaigns to align with business goals and market trends. Conclusion. Search engine advertising can drive significant growth when executed correctly. By following these steps, you can create a campaign that attracts, engages, and converts. Remember, continuous improvement is key to long-term success. Start your journey today and watch your business thrive in the digital space. This guide provides a clear, structured approach to setting up a search engine advertising campaign, ensuring you have the tools and knowledge to succeed in the competitive digital marketplace. Further info, contact Ace International Media.